Ever smiled in a photo and suddenly remembered you're missing a tooth? Yeah, not exactly the confidence boost we're looking for. So if you're here, you're probably searching for a quick fix without jumping straight into expensive dental procedures. I went down the same rabbit hole and eventually found something interesting. The Temptooth Temporary Tooth Replacement Kit. And honestly, I was curious, can a tiny DIY kit really help bring back your smile? So here's how it works. Temptooth is basically a do-it-yourself temporary tooth solution that lets you create a realistic replacement tooth right at home. No dentist appointment, no special equipment, and no complicated tools. Everything you need is already included in the kit. The process is surprisingly simple. You heat the material, mold it into the shape of a tooth, and once it cools down, it becomes solid. After shaping it to fit the gap in your mouth, the tooth can snap into place. And the cool part is, it's removable so you can take it out, adjust it, or remake it if it needed. What impressed me the most is that the kit actually comes with enough material to create multiple teeth, so you're not stuck with just one attempt. In terms of appearance, when shaped properly, it can look surprisingly natural, especially for a temporary solution. It's not meant to replace professional dental work forever, but it's definitely helpful if you want something quick while waiting for a permanent treatment. Another thing worth mentioning is durability. Once the material hardens, it's designed to hold its shape for months, which is pretty impressive for something you make at home in just a few minutes. So who is this really for? If you're dealing with a missing tooth and just want a fast, temporary cosmetic fix for daily confidence, events, or photos, Temptooth can be a practical option. But if you're expecting a permanent medical replacement, that's where a dentist still comes in. Overall, the idea behind Temptooth is simple. Give people a quick way to smile again while they figure out the long-term solution. And honestly, sometimes that little boost of confidence is exactly what people need. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.